Okay guys, get better lighting. Okay guys, I'm gonna go take a walk in the woods. This is Seattle, Washington. What a great view, I know. I normally live in Arizona, so let's get it. I don't know. Most likely there should be like a trail, you know, guys. And this is all like clunked up wood. So gotta be careful, cause I'm not trying to get bit or anything. Shit. Okay, let's see, guys. Ooh, guys, I don't know. But here's the outlook of it. Let's see if I can try to get through this right here. I don't know if I can, but we can try right here. Try right here. You see right there? Okay. Okay. It's all weeds over there. No, fuck that shit. Spiders and shit. Oh, hell no. I'm just afraid of spiders and shit, you know, guys? It's... I'm not trying to die today with spiders. Let's keep looking. I mean, it's a beautiful day. It's like almost 70 degrees out. It's nice out. I'm at my grandpa's house, so we're just exploring, seeing what's new. Let's just go right here. Wow. It's insane how much shit's here. Oh, look at that shit. Fuck. It's pretty insane. Oh my fucking god. I got so scared. Oh, damn, dude. Wow. Okay. I think I should get out. But I'm gonna go that way and that way. I don't know how I'm gonna get out though, cause it's... Fuck. I think I'm gonna go back out because I'm not trying to die, you know? Fucking shit. Ow. What the hell is that shit? Damn. Ooh. Insane. Oh, guys, that is insane. What the fuck? My leg, it like itches. Probably spiders or some shit. So that really sucks. So, I don't know. Damn. Good. Not bad lighting. We got some bad lighting, so. Okay, this is better. Oh my god, my calf. Damn, that shit hurt. What?
I'm gonna take
You won't.
I'm sore.
Kid, shh. No, there's spiders and shit everywhere, dude. I like how.
I'm not sure there's bears.
Sure, there's no bears, dude.
What?
No.
And when there is, oh, wolf.
What are you saying, guys? I just want to like make a memory of this because it's really a memory. Because this is my only time here, and I just want to like capture a moment with you guys. So. Yeah, I know, but there's spiders and stuff everywhere. Stop. So it's pretty intense, you guys. You can already see. Oh my god. There's a lot of spiders and shit. Look.
Alright.
I just heard a bumblebee. This is my home.
That's not your home.
My home, idiot.
It's not your home.
Yeah, it's my home.
This is the forest.
'Cause I was born
This is
here.
the woods.
But I was born here, so.
Or at the woods.
Yeah, I was
At Grandpa's house, not in the woods.
But I was born here.
Okay,
He doesn't understand.
Alright,
But yeah, so this kid wants to live here.
And I want to live with you, so.
Yeah, so when I get through high school, I can move up here. What? What? I know it's a joke. I'm not living as a joke. I'm just saying my state is Washington State, Seattle. So yeah, so anyway, so I want to go after I finish high school. I can go to Seattle and live here because it's a great state. It's like what I think. So today is August 5th, I believe. 4th or 5th, I'm not sure. I haven't checked, but it's it's Friday, I think. I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure.
Who is that? Oh my god!
Kids. So I'm here for a day, so I'm just taking pictures, taking videos of this awesome state. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna call the video a walkthrough through the woods. Or just me, discussing how I feel about this place. I've been here in like 10 months, so I want to know how it feels. But it feels good. I like it here a lot, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys soon. Wait, actually, I might want to vlog some more actually, but what? Okay, go. I think someone bit me because there's shit like on my leg. Look, I don't know. Like obviously, yes, you can't tell, but there's like red bumps and shit. So I don't know. So hold on. Anyways, damn, look how close this shit is. So yeah, I don't want to talk about what are you guys into? Clash Royale, the woods, anything you can think of. I didn't have Wi-Fi for a good day. It really sucked. Most of my notifications was what? Yeah, I know. Most of the notifications are YouTube, so it's kind of not much of Snapchat and such. Facebook, Instagram.
There's a sword. And look, guys, there's a sword. And it's gonna be mine now, so. And I'm protecting him. And yeah.
He needs help. Just kidding.
Oh my god.
Just kidding. Yeah, so.
I'm gonna cut some trees down.
Yeah, so, you know, just tell me what, you know, what state. Will you stop? This kid trying to. Look at this kid. You're hurting nature. Stop. You're hurting nature. Stop. Never have kids, people, men, men and women never have kids because they should, I mean, it's good to have one, to have your, have your generation move forward, but, hold on, but like, if you want to have kids, you gotta know when to have them and how to treat them right. Don't raise them bad, because that's not gonna be good. So yeah, I'm just saying. I mean, if you wanna, yeah, like if you wanna continue your generation and as much as you can, then go for it. But just kind of be careful of how many kids you want, because you be like thinking, oh, I want, you know, 10. Stop. You'd be like, oh, I want 3, you know, 4 kids. And then you think about it, you're like, okay, I want 4 kids. And then, stop, dude. Fucking kid, dude. What's up? Get out of here. Damn, well, okay. Dude, this, you know how many, spiders webs over there?
Yeah, a lot.
Like
I go through there every day.
Yeah, okay, if I look like this, it's like right there, and I'm trying to take a step.
What are you trying to do? Take pictures of the woods?
No, it's like a vlog, like a video, you know.
And he's doing it right now.
Oh, so you can post it on your Facebook?
No, on like
do.
Facebook or YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay.
YouTube.
Yeah, cause I want to start doing a vlog, cause this is like a better phone from one I had before, and it's better, like, video quality and push quality. So.
You're trying to protect him with the sword? Well, can you protect this?
Go shit. That was good.
You're gonna sharpen that sword and you're gonna be able to kill someone.
My life. My homeboy right there. Wait, right there. Yeah. Anyways, I'm saying this. I'm saying this. If you guys wanna, wanna have kids, but you have to know how to treat them right and treat them with respect, and make them respect you, because you don't, like, if you have to have your kids respect you, and if they don't, then you messed up and you raised them wrong, and that's not good. So just think about, like, say if I had a wife, which I would never have, just kidding, but say if I had a wife and some kids, I would think ahead, like, okay, like, what I want, 1 kid or 2 kids. Like, how much is it gonna cost for baby food, clothes, shelter, power, things like that. And as they get older, they use more food, they more power, because the phones and Xbox. So we just gotta think ahead. So I'm gonna try to have 1 kid. I don't know for you guys, if you guys want to have more kids, go ahead, knock yourself out. What are you doing? Oh, yeah. So just think ahead of what you guys want to do. I don't want to talk about, but this seems like a long vlog, so I want to end up right here. I'm gonna do another one tomorrow, or like I'll vlog another one today, but upload it tomorrow, so you don't get 2 at once, unless you guys like that. I mean, I don't know what you guys do, but I know this might be boring. You guys are like, oh, this is like, he's boring. He he's not gonna entertain me, that's okay. Some people, I can't, you know, I can't please everyone. So yeah, just you know, yeah. So I hope you have a great day, guys. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.